हेलो गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो है व्हाट्सएप, नॉर्मल व्हाट्सएप और बिज़नेस व्हाट्सएप की डिफरेंस बताया गया है। तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मेरी वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ में ही बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिए ताकि नई आने वाली वीडियो आपको आसानी से मिल जाए। तो व्हाट्सएप जो है मोस्ट पॉपुलर ऐप है, मोस्ट पॉपुलर ऐप है। 1.5 बिलियन यूज़र्स हैं इसके, और व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू ही हम अपनी फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स से इन टच रहते हैं। तो व्हाट्सएप एंड बिजनेस, व्हाट्सएप की पहले सिमिलैरिटीज़ बताएंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं वीडियो। एट फर्स्ट ग्लैंस दे सीम्स वेरी सिमिलर, सो दे हैव इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन कॉमन। दे हैव गॉट द सेम इंटरफेस, बोथ ऐप आर कम्प्लीटली फ्री एंड ईच कैन बी कनेक्टेड टू ओनली वन फ़ोन नंबर। हम दोनों एट ए टाइम जो है हम दोनों व्हाट्सएप, नॉर्मल व्हाट्सएप और बिजनेस व्हाट्सएप एक ही फ़ोन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो नेक्स्ट क्या है, सेम इंटरफेस। Both apps have pretty much the same interface, so if you have been using a regular WhatsApp account, you will need just a minute or two to get accustomed to WhatsApp Business. Both apps are free, they are both free, and they are no cost whatsoever. One number equal one WhatsApp account. A WhatsApp account can be connected to only one phone number and smartphone. This applies to both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. If you want to have both, you will need to use a dual SIM or temporarily deactivate and transfer the number to the app of your choice. We have covered the common ground between both apps. Now let's take a look at what makes WhatsApp Business different. Difference between WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business app. WhatsApp Business was designed with the small local business in mind. It has features which help micro and small businesses get a business presence on WhatsApp and communicate with the customers on their favorite messenger app. It is basically an upgraded WhatsApp and has additional features compared to the standard app. Here is the list of all additional features and the difference between WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business. New WhatsApp Business logo. WhatsApp Business comes with a brand new logo featuring the letter B, but it probably means business. Here's screenshot I made, which shows both apps side by side on a smartphone. Business account notification. When you are right to receive the first message from a customer, they will see a notification in the chat which states this chat is with the business account. WhatsApp Business Profile. WhatsApp profile is significantly upgraded compared to the regular WhatsApp, where you only have a cover photo, name and description. Cover photo, area of work, description, location, working hours, link to your website, product catalog. WhatsApp Business statistics are a useful tool which help you get a glimpse of an effectiveness of your WhatsApp Business account as a communication tool and the states of customer engagement. It gives you the following chats: messages sent, messages delivered, messages read, and messages received. It is a handy little tool which help you get a sense of how popular WhatsApp Business is a communication channel for your company. तो यहाँ पे वीडियो एंड हो गई है। तो होप्स हो कि आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।